Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So, this is the last episode of our HTML full tutorial in Tagalog and English. So, we are about to see how the CSS build, how it is linked from other external site tulad ng CDN or di kaya external file na galing sa project mo mismo. So I think let's proceed. So we are opening up our VS Code. So let's use this index.html. So let's delete the content inside our body and the style. So I will be explaining to you the difference between internal, external, and the inline CSS. But I think we already know those three differences. And the other one is the CDN Waves CSS framework. So let me try to create a new file here. So we call this one styles.css. And then try natin i-create yung link in here and let's add an H1, a paragraph, an image. So bigyan natin ito ng class name sa tawag na attribute na class. So flag wrapper. So this is our flag wrapper. So this is the title. So uh, yan na title na um, what is let's just um, what there's AI. So the details about AI is let's just click into rem for uh, this example. So let me grab some images online. AI is one. So this one, open new image, you copy that one. So we have to voice it so small. So page, small. So that's better. So gusto kong i-add yung styles externally. So let me just link the styles of CSS. So style sheet styles yan. So ito is an attribute para sa CSS which is style sheet at tapos yung link ng file natin. So ito mismo. So I have a class here. So I just use the selector of my press dot and then selector flag wrapper and let's give the background color of uh, try natin yung aqua. So if we save this file, walang mangyayari. Why? Let's try to ipath. Yeah. So the color is aqua. I think it's not right. So let's try to add color of blue. Save this file. Save this file. Ayan. How about this? Yan. Try natin na change yung color to white. So color is white. Then bigyan natin ng body cells. Then let's try to save the index.html. Yeah. Then merge natin ng tab para siya sa babaw. So save this file. Yan. What is AI? Ayan. So this type of styling is called external CSS or external cascading style sheet. So basically this is for um file structured properly. So we will just separate the style sheet. So it's not the page doesn't get bloated by some styles because if you style this element in here, so makikita mo na maraming style sheet, aabot ito ng hanggang 1,000 lines. So, this time, it will be just this link to the external style or external CSS. So, sa internal CSS naman is you just have to type style in here and then put that style under wrap inside the style. Ayan, so walang nagbago. So, kaya na sinabi ko is abot ito ng hanggang 1,000 lines bago mo matapos yung website mo. And then, sa inline styles naman is try to comment this out or this one. Sa inline styles naman is dito tayo mismo maglagay ng style. So, uh, margin tab, ayan. Paano lang natin yun? Margin tab 20px. Tapos, background color. Oh, ito. Ayan. Ito ang inline style. So, RGB. And then, color white. Tapos, padding. Ayan. Ganito ang mangyari pag nasa inline style siya. So, I don't recommend na gawin mo ito sa iyong page unless na um, gusto mong i-change, minimal lang kaya ng font family, ganun. Pero mostly yung mga font is nilalagay sa external CSS, but definitely you just have to adjust some styles in here, but it's not more than 3 to 4 styles. But if you're using CDN, I am assuming that you are using a lot of styles, but not styles attribute only, but you are only using class. So, paano ba natin na gawin yun? So, we are using CDN right now. I already talked about external CSS, inline CSS, and internal CSS. So, we'll just delete this one. I mean, this style, and we are not using style CSS. We are using CDN. So, check lang natin yung, try natin yung bootstrap. Ayan. So, check natin docs. I am assuming that there is CDN in here. Yep, this is the CDN for the CSS. So, add lang natin yung link for CSS. So, the href would be CDN and the JavaScript file as well. So, I am linking the script for the JavaScript file. So as you can see, our text has been changed. So let me delete this one. Oh, and then Yep, right back again. So right now we can use the styles galing sa CSS. So punta lang tayo dito sa components. So try natin pumunta sa images. Image pa dito. Image. Yan. Images. Um, how about buttons? See if it's working. So, ayan. Copy lang natin to. I am expecting to see primary button in here. The same as that one. Yep. We are using Bootstrap CSS successfully. It's because the button, it's already been styled. If we want to remove this one, uh, yan lang yung button natin. So, try to bring it back. Um, itong card, ito mostly yung ginagamit para sa mga tag. So, let's just copy that one. Yan. So, the title is What is AI? So, I will be changing this one to What is AI? Is AI. Ayan. So, the Lorem Ipsum, let's just copy that one over and paste it here. So, sa image natin is ito yung image. Tapos, yung Clark ka, yung class niya is card image tab. So, basically, this card image tab is already been styled by using Bootstrap. So, let me just copy the link, paste it over here, and then delete natin yung old implementation natin na galing sa ginawa natin kanina. So, as you can see, we have a card in here that's very presentable na galing kay Bootstrap. So, ito yung style niya. As I said earlier, you can add styles here, but uh, I recommend not more than 3 or 4. So let me just add some margins. Top of 20 px. Yan. Try nating dagdagan ang card natin. So, yan. So, parang presentable na yung website natin or yung page natin. Yan. So, I just covered the internal CSS, external CSS, and the um, inline CSS, at saka yung CDN galing sa Bootstrap. I think we are ready to proceed to our CSS tutorial. So, I think that's it for this video. Thanks. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share guys para sa mga susunod nating video na i-upload. I hope this clears and nag-enjoy kayo sa journey natin sa HTML. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. Kita-kits sa CSS guys. Thank you.